Here's Persona app beauty camera. So let's open up Mastery Look with Persona, a professional beauty camera and editor crafted for perfection. Smart AI and powerful tools deliver flawless photos and videos effortlessly live or in edits. Face beauty filters, choose from dozens of filters to smooth skin and add a bright glow or perfect your look naturally. Instant with one click for photos and videos. Hair upgrades, boost volume or switch to new hairstyles fast, worsen any shots. Body tuning, shape your figure a bit for a sharp real result in stills. Clips, skin improvement, get a tan fixed texture or remove shine in one tap. Editing controls, change brightness, contrast or sharpness like a pro for both photos and videos. Face refining, improve eyes, nose, lips or jawline easily anytime. Color boost, add bold stylish tones to your photos and videos. So unique details, add freckles, dimples, small touches to both photos and videos. Erase spots or extras fast. Exclusive AI tools. Persona offers elite beauty tools for standout results every time. Unlock full experience with Persona VIP, all features and unlimited video saves. So monthly $15, lifetime subscription $196, yearly $58. So that's the idea. So here is the app, and then you can just open it up, and here it is. So now again, you just see it here, the pricing. So just try to upgrade you. Just for you to know, don't always upgrade on the first pop-up, on the first model, because if you close it, sometimes you just might see a better deal ahead. So now you just have it in here. Then you can just have video retouch. You can have all of these different things. So for example, let's just try it out. So I will just try some like standard photo. Here it is. So here is the photo. But then again, it's just asked me to have 1 month. So here's 1 month for $9.99. Why is that? So if you just want to do that, then you can just try VIP version of that. But then, for example, you can see some preview of that. And then here's what you can see. And this app, what people like it because it's like super fast and super simple. And this filter is actually working. You can see in here, so it's quite a good result. And you can see already some preview, but then if you wanna save it without watermark, you need to upgrade. It's pretty cool filters, yeah. And then you can just find it in here. You can set the activeness of the filter, and then that's basically the idea in here. So something like that. As you can see, you can change hairstyle, for example. Or you can change the wavy hair. So that's, yeah, this app is quite good, I would say. The results are quite nice. You have all types of filters. So I would say, yeah, this is like quite good app. And yeah, so that's basically the idea in here. And yeah, beauty, makeup, resizes, hairstyles, you can see in here. Filters, body tune effects. And then yeah, you just have all of that. Then there's like live camera. I don't know, you can attach these things to your live camera as well, which is pretty cool. And then yeah, and then you can also just try it out in a kind of limited free preview why people like it. So then there is a gift for friends. So there is a share link. You can invite friends. So now you can use this app persona.camera. So I don't know, there is no specific referral code, but that's it. But basically there you have it.